Another dump fire has led to citizens being exposed to more smoke and environmentalists fuming at the recurring problem. This time, it's the retirement dump in St. James that was on fire. The National Solid Waste Management Authority says the fire is under control, but that's no comfort for the Jamaica Environment Trust, which is demanding better from the government. Here's TVJ's Herman Green with that story.
The retirement dump in St. James on fire Saturday night, and up to Sunday evening, the smoke was still blanketing several communities. Tucker, Granville, and Pitt 4 are just some of the affected areas. NSWMA Executive Director Audley Gordon says his team, along with firefighters, have been battling the blaze since Saturday afternoon.
This was lit by people who actually live on the disposal site. In other words, what we have here is a case of arson.
But this explanation is inadequate for CEO of the Jamaica Environment Trust, JET, Susan Stanley, who is calling for the government to take action to prevent the frequent fires. In a release this morning, JET stated that the recurrent incidents at Retirement and Riverton point to the larger issue of inadequate management at Jamaica's licensed dumps. She went on to say that Retirement, Riverton, and the 5 other licensed dump sites suffer from decades of neglect. However, Mr. Gordon disagrees, insisting that this is not a reflection of neglect, but is a setback to all the work that his entity has been doing.
It's important that everybody appreciate that this is something that has taken us by surprise, because we had just finished some covering the other day and has done so much to bring the landfill back to some level of normalcy. And when this comes now, it just disrupts everything all over again. But we are not going to be daunted. We are going to keep working.
He says the fire is currently 70% under control and will be extinguished by morning. As for the persons who he says are responsible for setting the fire,
we will be moving decisively to move everybody who live on the disposal site off. And we will start that process tomorrow, where I'll be writing to the Commissioner of Police and the Chief of Staff of the Jamaica Defence Force to get their help to get the people off the disposal site.
Herman Green, TVJ News.